Okay, quick test. Do you actually remember the kanji from the last few weeks? 10 questions, 4 choices each. Grab a pen, keep score, and let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What does this kanji mean? The answer is C. Onna, read onna, means woman. Question 2. Which of these kanji means non? It's D. He, read hi, means non. Question 3. What does this kanji mean? Correct answer, C. Sen, read chi, means thousand. Question 4. Which of these kanji means danger? And it's C. E, read abrunai, means danger. Question 5. What does this kanji mean? The answer is B. King, read kane, means gold. Question 6. Which of these kanji means 7? The answer is C. Nana, read nana, means 7. Question 7. What does this kanji mean? It's C. Man, read man, means 10,000. Question 8. Which of these kanji means earth? Correct answer, C. Tsuchi means earth. Question 9. What does this kanji mean? And it's D. Saki, read saki, means ahead. Question 10. Which of these kanji means sun, day? The answer is C. He, read he, means sun, day. That's all 10. So how did you do? Drop your score in the comments. 10 out of 10 earns you bragging rights. There's a new kanji here every single day, so follow along and keep your streak alive.